Hello and welcome to our channel. Today it's all about the Victorinox Wild Cadet with its wonderful Damascus blade and fire steel. So if you want to take a closer look, stay tuned. The SAG enthusiasts are known for not only paying attention to the quality and uniqueness of their knives, they also attach great importance to attractive packaging. The Wild Cadet is no exception. The wooden box with the group's logo was made by hand in Switzerland and it looks very high quality. Opening and closing the box is easy and without resistance, and the secure connection between the lid and box is ensured by integrated magnets. That's a nice touch. The first thing you notice when you take the knife out of the packaging is the fire striker and of course the shape of the blade. However, we already know the handle scales. They are from the 2018 Alox limited edition Cadet. I believe the color was called berry red back then. The SAG enthusiast group only produced 40 pieces of this knife in 2022. This means that it may be difficult to obtain one now. The price back then was around 350 Swiss francs. That's quite a lot of money for a small knife, but exclusivity, uniqueness and quality have their price. The most striking feature of this knife is the exceptionally shaped Damascus blade. The steel of this blade comes from the German manufacturer Balbach, which is known for its high quality Damascus steels and exclusive knives. If you would like to find out more about Balbach, you can find the link to their website in the video description. Personally, I really like the damask of the blade. Together with the shape of the blade, it creates a very nice look. While one side of the blade shows the serial number of the knife, the logo of the SAG enthusiast group can be seen on the other side. The blade was made by the Swiss cutlery Ruch, who did an excellent job here. If you look closely, you can see the company stamp on the inside of the knife. You can of course also find Ruch's website in the description of this video. The steel striker features the logo of Mr. Fischlin, who was once again responsible for producing this fire steel. He also made the steel strikers for the 93mm Alox Soldiers, which were produced by Victorinox in 1996 to 2002. The liners and the pins are all in brass, made by hand. The knife was assembled also all by hand by Brunner Customs and Ruch Messer. So what is my final opinion on the Wild Cadet Damascus? Well, the quality of the knife and the packaging speaks for itself. The tool configuration is remarkable. I don't know of any knife that combines a fire striker and a Damascus blade. The only criticism that comes to mind is the high price. However, this is put into perspective given the low number of pieces, the outstanding craftsmanship and the materials that are used. Of course, this knife can also be found in the extensive catalog of the Chipmunk SAG app. This app is free to use and offers an insight into many rare and beautiful Victorinox knives. We are constantly working on the further development of this software, and soon you will be able to use it to manage your own collection. Please check out the link in the description. So, what is your opinion about this knife? Would it be something for your collection? Would the price be reasonable to you? We are very interested in your opinion, so leave us a comment. And of course, we are always happy about every thumbs up and every new subscription. Otherwise, we wish you a nice Sunday and see you next week.